Stay together with family with the Dragon Touch Classic 10 Wi-Fi cloud photo frame that quickly updates your life moments with your loved ones. The Classic 10 has a high-quality 10.1-inch touch display with 1280 by 800 resolution and 16 by 10 aspect ratio that stays clear in any lighting condition, offering display from any angle, allowing you to recall your precious moments. This digital photo frame receives photos and videos via Wi-Fi network, phone app, email, or by turning it into a local FTP server, enabling free, instant, and safe photos and video sharing through cloud server without any limit. It has a user-friendly interface design that makes only a few steps to complete setup, and intuitive touchscreen display makes using it much easier than ever for all ages. You can choose either portrait or landscape placement with the auto rotate settings, or put it on the wall with a wall mount hole on the back. Its classic design makes it a beautiful decoration in your living space. The Dragon Touch Classic 10 features built-in 16GB memory that offers more than enough storage, giving you the opportunity to store over 40,000 photos, and you can store even more with external SD card USB drive that will provide you more options for file storage and management. The Dragon Touch Classic 10 digital picture frame is a great way to stay close to your family members by sharing your moments with everyone, and is a perfect gift for the elders and a great Mother's Day gift under $100. Spice up your home environment with Lucis 3.0, a brand new cordless portable lamp that combines high-quality Dutch design with supreme functionality to change your mood. Featuring powerful RGB full-color LEDs, this unique mood lamp can generate up to 250 lumens of brightness to change your mood. You can simply twist it to go through its color option and brighten or dim the light using its touch sensors. This mood lamp has built-in 8000 mAh power bank with Qi-enabled wireless charging pad that allows you to charge your phone wirelessly or via its USB port without any hassle. Once fully charged, the Lucis 3.0 can provide mood-changing light for up to 80 hours non-stop to spice up your indoor environment. With a high-quality matte plexiglass upper housing and solid aluminum ring, Lucis is splash-resistant, which allows you to use it without any worry. With unique color range and packed with features, the Lucis 3.0 is the perfect smart mood lamp for any smart home, and you can back them up on their crowdfunding campaign on Indiegogo. Control your home lighting and appliances smartly with Legrand Radiant Smart Lighting, a smart switch that allows you to control all of your lighting and appliances from your comfort zone. This smart switch comes with Wi-Fi connectivity, which allows you to connect it with its smartphone app and control your lights or appliances from the app without breaking a sweat. You can connect the smart switch to your smart home devices like Amazon Alexa or Google Assistant, which gives you the freedom to control your devices with your voice command. This smart switch lets you set schedules for your lights and appliances from the app or using voice commands such as when they turn on and off to save energy. The Radiant is engineered to be universal and is compatible with a wide range of lighting systems and appliances, which allows you to use it without any kind of worry. The Legrand Radiant Smart Lighting is an excellent addition for any smart home, and you can order one for your home from online. Smart homes need smart locks to ensure safety. That is why you should have the Igloo Smart Padlock, a durable lock system that enhances home security so that you can stay worry-free. This smart padlock has built-in Bluetooth connectivity, which allows you to connect to the smartphone app to lock and unlock it with just your smartphone. Equipped with Algo code technology, this padlock features AES encrypted security, allowing you to grant access remotely and instantly to offer ultimate convenience. Using its numeric keypad, you can unlock it using passcode. You can also manage and send PIN codes or Bluetooth keys via the Igloo Home app. Built with versatility in mind, the Igloo Home padlocks are the most flexible padlock that allows for time-sensitive access and also allows you to check locking and unlocking time from the app. Made from premium materials, this padlock is virtually unbreakable and ensures maximum security for your home so that you can have peace of mind. The Igloo Home Smart Padlock is the ultimate smart locking system for your home and has earned good reviews and ratings from the customers, and you can get it from online. Monitor your home indoor air quality and keep it fresh with Aura Air. a smart air monitoring system that ensures every breath you take is fresh and clean. Equipped with carbon monoxide and smoke detectors, the Aura Air can detect smoke, carbon monoxide, gas leaks, carbon dioxide, temperature, humidity, and many more to keep you informed about your indoor air quality. Using its Air 4-step air filtration system, the Aura Air Van purifies viruses, bacteria, mold, fungus, bad odor, and many harmful particles from the air up to 700 square feet of area to ensure you always breathe fresh and healthy air. You can connect to the Aura Air smartphone app via Wi-Fi and monitor your indoor air from the app, and it can also send you push notifications if anything harmful is detected. Enjoy ultimate convenience and control the Aura Air from your comfort zone with your voice command and enjoy fresh air without any hassle. Introducing the Sunshine Electric Air Duster, a powerful device that you can use to quickly remove dust from your computers, keyboards, air conditioners, other electronic appliances of your home. Featuring a 550-watt motor, the powerful wind allows you to easily remove dust and dirt from computers, keyboards, air conditioners, and even expensive electronic equipment. This powerful 120 volts vacuum cleaner features 550-watt motor that is ideal for keyboards, computers, and other technological equipment cleaning, and can even help you remove dust from the interior of your home's air conditioner or under the refrigerator and stove. There is a powerful lighting functions that can help you easily clean the directional area at any time. With 3 different nozzles, air needle indicator, concentrator nozzle, bell mouth nozzle, and 3 brushes meet your various needs. With an extra long 10-foot cord and with a weight of only 1.9 pounds, this vacuum cleaner switches to hold and press for power and automatically turns off when the button is released. The Sunshine Electric Air Duster is an alternative to compressed air, which is inexpensive and non-toxic that saves your money, gas, water, and protects the environment. The Sunshine Electric Air Duster is a one-time investment, so you'll never need to buy canned air ever again, making it the perfect electric vacuum cleaner to clean all of your electronics devices. Cool your home in a smart way with Capsule W5, a unique window air conditioner that ensures you and your loved ones always stay cool and comfortable. Utilizing environment and ozone-friendly R410A refrigerant, this window cooler can deliver 5000 BTU of cooling power per hour and cool up to 160 square feet of area to ensure you always stay comfortable. Unlike other window air conditioners, Capsule directs the cool air up towards the ceiling, creating a convective cycle that prevents cold and hot spots in the room. Its highly engineered fans and ventilation system are quiet and efficient so that you can always enjoy fresh and calm environment. The capsule is built around a single knob that controls how you want to change the temperature. You can also set smart schedules via the iOS and Android apps to ensure they never use more energy than is needed. Have you ever been bothered by a hot, dirty, and uncomfortable living environment on a dry summer afternoon? Don't worry, we've got a solution for you. Meet the Nyx Fan, a 3-in-1 portable device that could be used as a personal air cooler, humidifier, and an air purifier. The Nyx Fan Ultra is super easy to control, allowing you to avoid all the complicated installing processes. Simple click on and it's ready to go. The Nyx Fan is an advanced cooler that can be used as a humidifier as well. You will discover the temperature drop in just a few minutes. The mist inside the Nyx Fan penetrates across the corrugated wood curtain made of plant fiber as well as the silver containing filter. The filter depresses the bacterial growth through oxidation to sterilize the water. A second sterilization mechanism lies in the UV lamp. Upon UV irradiation, water molecules generate radicals that strongly depress the bacteria, which offer 99.9% disinfection. Imagine a cooler that not only brings down the temperature but also brings up the air quality. Breathe healthy in your living room or your office. After a long day, the colorful ambient light eases your sleep with a gentle breeze and a state-fist airflow. The Nyx Fan is not limited to be used only indoors, but you can also Folding clothes can be a stressful task, but now you can do that peacefully with FoldiMate, a unique cloth folding system that folds your clothes for you with just a push of a button. It comes with ergonomic designed clipping technology that enables easy and fast clipping of each item without any hassle. Equipped with fast folding technology, it allows you to feed your items continuously while folding them simultaneously, offering you unlimited folding capacity. The FoldiMate is so smart that it adjusts the folding according to the item being folded to provide you ultimate convenience. It runs on only standard 110 volt to 240 volt power, which also makes it super energy efficient and allows you to use it worry-free. The FoldiMate is like having a friend who loves laundry folding. It is so simple to use that your kids will be able fighting over who is folding laundry. So that was all about the top 10 best smart home gadget inventions for you. Like, comment and share with your friends if you found this video helpful. And do subscribe to our channel if you want to see more videos like this on your feed.